Let's ride Winnie the Pooh in Disneyland. Come on, everybody. Winnie the Pooh is a classic Disney dark ride located in Critter Country. The ride vehicle for Winnie the Pooh is a honeybee hive that can hold up to 6 passengers. Enjoy the ride.
A little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! Hang on tightly, Happy Wednesday!
Goodness gracious!
Please take it.
Just following the Heffalumps Woozle scene is an homage to the original residents of this building, from the Country Bear Jamboree.
It's time for your party, Pooh! Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hooray! Hooray! Happy birthday! Hooray!
I'm sure you'll find my present to be quite delicious.
Goodness gracious!
You'll never guess what it is.
The wonderful thing about triggers is they give the bestest presents.
Oh, that was fun!
This video, please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.